Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. In the news, New Tech gives its unreserved support to the satellite interference issue. Singtel announces the launch of a new crew package. Tricia has the launch news. But first, here is Georgina with some breaking news.
Viking SATCOM, a provider of communication products and solutions, has been awarded a multi-year, multi-million-dollar contract from a US government agency. Viking SATCOM will provide ground terminals to US government and military servicemen stationed overseas. The contract will commence in 2012 with options to extend through 2017.
Thanks, Georgina. Satellite communications specialist New Tech has given its unreserved support for the standardisation and adoption of industry-wide countermeasures to combat interference. Interference of satellite carriers is a growing problem in the industry for users of satellite transmissions. There is an industry consensus that countermeasures should utilise the addition of carrier identification to enable the quick location and correction of misconfigured or unauthorised carriers. The Digital Video Broadcasting Project, the industry-led consortium, has accepted the topic of carrier ID as a work item, and a solution will be defined and selected that best meets the commercial requirements. However, for the transmission of transport stream live video over satellite, the addition of carrier ID within the transport stream NIT table is considered one potential intermediate solution. Singtel has announced the launch of an affordable crew experience package that will enable greater levels of control and efficiency for shipping companies, optimise operational costs, as well as enhance the welfare for their crews. This one-stop package provides high availability broadband and all the ICT components a company needs for $2,888. This includes Singtel's all-in-one Connect services, which enables shipping companies worldwide to boost crew morale by offering them secure and always-on internet connectivity. The technology enables secure and fast data transfer and voice over IP to be modulated at a cost-effective level of 4 to 6 kilobits per second. Gulf Air, the national carrier of the Kingdom of Bahrain, has taken delivery of its first A330-200 aircraft, retrofitted with Panasonic Avionics Corporation's Global Communications Suite. The comprehensive communications and entertainment solution SkyHub offers passengers on board full broadband connectivity to access internet, mobile phone services, and for the first time in the world, a global live television service on board. The Panasonic Global Communications Suite is being progressively installed across Gulf Air's entire fleet of aircraft. NASA is planning an October 27 launch. Tricia has the full story.
NASA is planning an October 27th launch of the first Earth-observing satellite to measure both global climate changes and key weather variables. The project is the first mission designed to collect critical data to improve weather forecasts in the short term and increase our understanding of long-term climate change. A Delta II rocket will carry the satellite into an orbit 512 miles above Earth's surface. Roughly the size of a minivan, the spacecraft will orbit Earth's poles about 14 times a day. It will transmit data once each orbit to a ground station in Norway and to direct broadcast receivers around the world. The launch from Space Launch Complex 2 at Vandenberg Air Force Base was recently delayed 2 days due to the repair of the Delta II's hydraulic system. NASA, the National Reconnaissance Office, and the US Air Force signed an agreement this week to establish new, clearer criteria for certification of commercial providers of launch vehicles used for national security, space and civil space missions. If new entrants have launched vehicles with a demonstrated successful flight history, then the government, which is committed to procuring commercial launch services for its satellites, may require less technical evaluation in certain areas. It is hoped the new strategy will increase competition from emerging commercially developed launchers for future Air Force, NASA and NRO missions.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.
Weeks.